Welcome viewers to the video channel of DigiSales. Today we are going to talk about how to create expenses category. How do you create expenses category? Kindly go to registration, click on expenses category and click on create. An input menu box is going to show, or an input window or page is going to show. So just shorten the narrative. So click on fuel, select or type fuel. The moment you finish typing your expenses category, kindly click on OK. There you go, you have created an expenses category. You can also create an expenses category on the names of the staff or the event surrounding your expenses. So this will help you to create more expenses category. So any expenses incurred, the appropriate category should be selected to apply. This helps you to run your business efficiently, because at the end of the month you can check all your expenses and you could know each category and the expenses accrued to it. Thank you very much for watching.